the men in blue finally touched down in Delhi. They are back home after a much delayed and much awaited return as well. Rohit Sharma was one of the first to walk out of the airport with the T20 World Cup trophy in his hand. Virat Kohli also and other team members. The team have now reached the ITC Hotel, ITC Maurya, where of course, just like at the airport, there was a roaring welcome early morning. There were fans in hundreds with the banners, tricolour and the posters to give them the rousing welcome, and that's the cheer that was heard loud and clear. The champs are scheduled to meet Prime Minister Modi at 11 a.m. before they embark on an open-top bus parade in Mumbai, where the streets will be packed at the Marine Drive. There's an event that's been organised in Mumbai as well at the Wankhede Stadium. Amid all of this, there's been an announcement to the team. A well-deserved 125 crore rupees cash prize for the team and the support staff. But even in the aircraft, as these visuals that we continue to look at, there was no sitting down. They wanted to soak in the moment with the trophy, and when they touch down, ensuring that the trophy is seen by the people as well. I want to now bring in, joining me in the studio is Harshit Ahuja, who's been constantly tracking the details of the matches, of the World Cup and this return that's finally come. Also at the airport is Nitin Srivastav. Let's go across first to Nitin. Nitin, what is the mood like? Have the team settled into their rooms? What happens there?
Well, Pooja, as of now, the team is up. And
I'll
show you some pictures. Virat Kohli's, brother is here. Vikas is here. Everyone, his sister, Virat's sister, is also here. You see in the pictures, Vikas Kohli is in the picture, and they are here to meet Virat Kohli. You know, this is the important day for the family as well, because everyone knows how important was this World Cup for Team India. So that is why, this is very important to know. The team support and the family support is very crucial. So that is why Vikas and the other members of the family is here, and they are going to meet, Virat Kohli upstairs. So basically at the moment, the team is upstairs and they are having their breakfast. And they are getting ready, to meet the Prime Minister in a short while. The meeting is scheduled for 11 a.m. So everyone is getting ready. And also the fans here, in the lobby, they are waiting to see the champions cutting that cake, which is prepared specially for this team and to celebrate the victory. So Pooja, as now, team is at upstairs. They are getting ready. They are having, their breakfast. They specially prepared breakfast, chole and puri for Virat Kohli, and some other stuffs for Rohit Sharma and the other team members. But in a short while, they'll come down and the cake cutting event will kick off. Pooja.
Nitin, so how are the arrangements like at the hotel? I'm sure there would be many fans, and there were already, including the guests who managed to have that coincidence of a moment. What do you think it's, other safety protocols? Are they being told to stay at bay to not interrupt the players as well?
Well, there is a very curtailed type of fans here. I'll show you some pictures that how, the hotel has prepared everything. There is a red carpet, especially for the players. See, this is the red carpet, and that table is, placed there for the cake cutting event. So in a short while, everyone will come down and see the lineup of fans. There are so many fans waiting to see, their champions who have, bring the laurels to the country. They have won the ICC World Cup T20 trophy, which was a very crucial trophy for Team India. Everyone was, see, look at the number of people here. Everyone is so excited, and they are waiting eagerly to see their fans. Some happy faces already here. Ma'am?
Yes. Go ahead. He's, I think, talking to some people.
Yeah. Would you like to say anything to the team?
I think you guys have just performed amazingly, and we all are so grateful for you, and you showed us what the motto "Never Give It" truly is.
All right. Words from you.
I have no words. I'm speechless. They're amazing.
They're amazing. As you can see, the fans are also, speechless. They have no words to express what exactly they are feeling now. But one thing you can sense that how crucial, how important, how big this, World Cup trophy is for Indian team, and also for the fans who always support, always love these champions, Pooja.
Nitin, in fact, I just want to come in here and I see something in the background. I want you to, if it's possible for you, get closer. There's a massive screen that I see there put up. What visuals is the ITC Maurya then projecting on that screen? What is that particular arrangement all about?
No, Harshit, there is no projecting, there is no big screen, giant screen. But yes, the arrangements I can show you is the red carpet, there is a table for the cake, and that is actually a restricted area, so I cannot go over there. But I'll show you. I'll show you some more pictures. That is the table which is placed for the cake cutting event. The team will come from here. This is the lift. They are upstairs on on the 11th floor. They'll come from this lift and they'll take this red carpet, especially placed for the Team India, the champions, and they'll go to this table and the cake cutting event will kick off. But the fans also look at the the number of people who have gathered here in a large number, because hotel is also because of the security, it's a restricted zone. But yes, they have managed to come in and they are waiting to see. There is a क्या नाम है बेटा आपका? क्यांश. विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा, क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
विराट कोहली.
क्या उनको क्या बोलोगे आप? आर यू हैप्पी? उन्होंने ट्रॉफी जीती है ये. सो हैप्पी. ओके, ये छोटा बच्चा है लेकिन इनके साथ आई थिंक इनके फादर भी हैं. सर, बिग मोमेंट.
Absolutely. We are here to welcome them back home. इतने दिन बाद. It was such an amazing feeling to see them win there. Now would want to see them in person as well. Thank you.
All right, see the happy faces everywhere. The happy faces. Everyone is smiling, and they are so happy. They are waiting, to see their champions again, to wish them luck, because from here a new journey will begin in the T20 format, especially. Harshit, Rohit Sharma is not there, Virat Kohli is not there, Ravindra Jadeja will not be there. But from here, a new journey of T20 team will begin. New faces will take over, a new squad will be, assembled again. So it is a big time. It's a time of celebration. So everyone in that mood. Harshit.
The one thought coming to my mind right now is, while there's a lot of celebration happening at the ITC Maurya, I feel there's one man who would probably be facing some sort of pressure or heat, I would say, and that's probably the chef. Because like we know, the Delhi boy is in town, and the Delhi boy does like a lot of Delhi food as well, right?
Well, of course, I spoke to him, and he actually, prepared the tricolor of color of a cake, but he has also prepared especially meant chole bhature for Virat Kohli. I especially asked him what you have prepared for Virat Kohli, what you have prepared for Rohit Sharma and the other members. He said, see, I know what the taste of Virat Kohli, so I have prepared chole bhature for him and some other things.
I'm not surprised. If you're in Delhi, chole bhature, for those who may not know, is very important. It's very crucial, and I think I totally understand where that's coming from. Nitin, stay on with me, because Nikhil Naz is at the airport. He's taking a moment to get some coffee for himself. There's also Rahul Rawat. Rahul, a quick word from you first, because it's not that they're back at the airport, it's all clear. They'll want to ensure the precautions are still there, because they have to head back to the airport in just a short while after meeting Prime Minister Modi.
That's right, Pooja. In fact, I was listening to your conversation with Nitin. I wonder if they will get so much time to have all these meals that have been specially prepared for this Indian team, because the players head straight to the Prime Minister's residence, where they will be felicitated, and they'll speak over a brief breakfast, after which they will head back to the ITC Maurya Hotel, from where they come back to this particular place, which was actually surrounded by, in fact, it was flooded with people who were here since last night. In fact, they had travelled from outstation, a lot of people, and I'm sure when this team returns here at the airport at around 1:30, again this place will be buzzing with a lot of fans here at the IGI airport.
Interesting. Rahul, stay on with me. Nikhil Naz also is joining us. Harshit, it's interesting, and I think it's for a sports journalist, the fact that he's been on board, he's tracked everything. I think that's a different high, isn't it?
Absolutely. Nikhil's indeed a lucky man. It was just the other day that Nikhil and I were talking about the fact that he's going to be traveling with the team. In fact, Nikhil, has the courtesy been extended till Mumbai as well? Because you're still at the airport, do you intend to give them company all the way to Mumbai too?
No, Harshit, the amount of traveling I've done in the last 4 weeks, I don't want to take another flight for at least a month. Because in the Caribbean, the schedule was such that we were taking flight every 24 hours. Because to reach from one place to another, firstly, as you know, the schedule was so tight that India was playing a game with just a one-day gap. And that one day traveling, sometimes we had to hop across to multiple islands to reach our destination. So I do not want to be taking a flight. What I'm savoring right now is because it's a nice, wet morning in Delhi, a nice cup of filter coffee, which I missed for the last 2 weeks. I did get a lot of coffee, but not some Indian filter coffee. So that's the first thing that I've really helped myself to. But since we're on the subject of eating, I know I heard you say that maybe the Delhi boy would want to have some Delhi food. But knowing how health conscious he is, I think he'll stay away from the chola bhaturas you were talking about. ITC Maurya, though, has two outstanding Indian restaurants that give a lot of roasted and grilled stuff, healthier stuff. He probably could be opting for those things.
Nikhil, what happens with the cake? I understand it's a moment of celebration, but throughout this tournament, specifically after celebration, did you see the players really relish into and give into these meals and cheat codes, or do you think that will have to be maintained? No cake eating, even now for Virat Kohli, you think?
No, not at all. In fact, the players were holed up inside the hotel rooms for 3 days after they had won, and you thought that there would be over-the-top celebrations. Yes, there were celebrations, all right. They had a party on the night that they had won the trophy, but they are so health conscious. These players. In fact, this is exactly what I was talking to with some of them, because I remember covering Indian team and Indian cricketers for over 2 decades, and it took me back to, let's say, 10 years, 15 years ago, where most players would be looking for Indian restaurants. Now you don't find that. They're looking for Indian eating options. They're looking for healthier eating options. So, that's completely changed. In fact, that continues because the players know cricket is non-stop for them. Yes, they'll savor this win. They'll enjoy it for a few days. A lot of them may be heading for holidays as well. And probably that's when they'll indulge a bit. But as of now, that strict regime, as far as eating is concerned, is continuing with the Indian team. But they did let their hair down. They were very relaxed, most relaxed that I've seen them in a long time. You can really imagine why that is the case. They had been coming so close to winning titles, yet faltering at the final hurdle. Eventually, they've crossed their hurdle, and I could see that sense of relief and the sense of happiness. I just mentioned one very interesting thing. As I was speaking to a player on the flight, and I said, now you must be relieved. You are the world champions, and he corrected me. He said, "Don't say we are the world champion." He said, "All of us are the world champions. You are a world champion. Every Indian is a world champion."